back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the prediction about the recent transit that is going to take place. Jupiter is going to move into the Cancer on 18th of October till 5th of December. Jupiter is going to stay into the Cancer. How it is going to affect each ascendant and the moon sign, and what all things that you need to take care of. Along with this, I'm going to share you few remedies also that you should do so that you are getting the maximum benefit out of this particular transit. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So this particular transit of Jupiter into the Cancer is a very important transit because Jupiter into the Cancer is an exalted position of the Jupiter, and Jupiter is a very important planet. It is a planet which is connected to the luck. It is a planet which is connected to the expansion and overall success and the growth in your life too. So the prediction from Aries till Virgo has already been shared in my previous video. You can check the link in the description. In this video, I'm going to discuss from Libra till Pisces. So let's start with Libra. So for the Libra people, this particular transit is going to take place in your 10th house. 10th house, which is connected to the name, fame, success, good career, as well as promotion in the relationship with your bosses too. So this is a golden time for you. If you are looking for the promotion, if your promotion is due, there is a very high possibility you will be getting promoted during this time. If you're looking for a job change, this is a good time to change the job. In the career, you are going to see the improvement. If any of your work is stuck in your career or you are facing the problem in your career, gradually, slowly, now you are going to see that it is going to become better for you and things will started working in your favor. Not only this, you are going to get the support from your manager as well as the support from your colleague also during this time. So this is a golden time for you. Savings and income wise also, this is a very great time. This is a good time. You are going to see the improvement in the income. You are going to see the improvement in the investment, and even there will be a sudden unexpected income also which you can expect during this time. But one thing that you need to be conscious with, from 11th of November, Jupiter is going to retrograde. So try to complete your pending task before 11th of November. So any task which is connected to the legal issues or anything which is connected to the investment or anything which is connected to the income, try to complete that before 11th of November to get the maximum benefit. This is a good time for the people who are looking to get married and who are single and who are looking to attract the partner. But when it comes to the marriage, if you are already married, then you need to be conscious that there may be the possibility of the ego clashes with your partner too. This is a good time for the people who want expansion in their life, any type of expansion. It can be the financial expansion, then also it's a good time. Even if you're looking for the family expansion, like if you're looking to conceive a child, then also it's a good time. You should take action. There is a very high possibility you will be able to conceive. And this is also a very good time for the people who are looking to get married also. So you should manifest your partner. There is a very high possibility you will be end up attracting the right partner during this time, and try to take the action before 11th of November, because after 11th of November, Jupiter is going to become retrograde. Then you are going to notice delay, obstacles and challenges in your life, or the work will not be completed during the same time. This time you need to take care of your health, because health wise things doesn't seem so great. So don't take your health for granted. Don't take your family health for granted, because health wise you need to be conscious. Major issues that you can face, health issues like throat related problem, you may face thyroid related problem, you may face problem like fever, you may face problem like liver, kidney, as well as any type of inflammation, as well as any type of infection. So if you want this particular transit to give you the maximum benefit, make sure this particular transit is taking place on 18th of October. Any transit which is taking place and on the same day if you're doing the remedy, then the result of this transit will become maximum for you, and that will be the good results for you. So what do you need to do? On 18th of October, what you need to do, you have to donate yellow color clothes to needy, or you can donate yellow color towel to needy on this day. If possible, then try to offer Lord Shiva water daily throughout this particular transit. As well as, if possible, then try to do the Aarti of Lord Vishnu daily with camphor, ghee and cardamom. This is going to help you out to give you overall abundance, success in your career, and you will be going to get the maximum benefit out of this particular transit. Scorpio, for you, this particular transit is taking place in the ninth house. So now for you, the Jupiter is going to sit in the ninth house in its exalted position, which is a good time. Luck will favor you. You may notice the problems which you're facing in your life since long. So gradually and slowly you are going to notice it is going to solve. And even not only this, if you're stuck in a legal case, especially the legal case which is connected to the land, or any type of family issues which you're facing right now, or any type of misunderstanding you have with your relatives, with your in-laws, or with your children, so gradually and slowly you are going to notice it is going to solve. Overall seems like a great time for you. Career wise, you are going to see the stability, but try to complete your pending task before 11th of November. Or 11th of November, Jupiter is going to become retrograde. After that, the effect will not be so positive. After that, you may face delay, obstacles, and the challenges too. So make sure that you are trying to complete your work before 11th of November. Overall, till 11th of November, things seems like great. If you're a single and looking to attract a partner, this is a good time. If you are looking to conceive a child, then also this is a good time overall for the expansion too. To get the maximum, but health wise you need to be conscious, because health wise you may face up and down. To get the maximum benefit out of this particular transit, make sure that you are offering water to Lord Shiva daily. On 18th of October, you are donating yellow clothes to the needy. As well as, if possible, then try to start wearing the rudraksha. And the rudraksha that you should start wearing is a 5 mukhi rudraksha. This is going to help you out to enhance your love, give you the peace, prosperity, and overall abundance too. Sagittarius, for you, this particular transit of Jupiter is taking place in your 8th house. So, 8th house, which is connected to sudden events happening in your life. If your personal horoscope is very strong, then there is a very high possibility during this time you are going to get sudden, unexpected financial benefits. There is a high possibility of getting promotion or sudden positive event happening in the life. On the other side, if your horoscope is not so positive, or will not be so strong, in that case, sudden, unexpected negative events may also happen during this time. This is a time to get unexpected income, promotion, or unexpected positive outcomes when it comes to the finances. But when it comes to the health, this is not so great time. Health wise, you need to be taking care of your health, because health wise you may face the problem. Any pending task which is there, you are facing problem related to the legal issue, anything which is there in your relationship, try to complete your pending task before 11th of November, because after 11th of November you may expect some unexpected events or unexpected delay, or the obstacles and the challenges in your life. This is a good time for the people who are looking to get engaged. This is a good time for the singles. If you're looking to get engaged, try to manifest for it, try to do the remedies to attract the right partner. There is a very high possibility you will end up attracting the right partner. But this is a time where you need to be conscious, because you will go deep into the spirituality, your interest into the meditation, occult science is going to increase, and you will be started focusing more on the research work also. Overall seems like a good time for the people, the Sagittarius Lagna people or the moon sign people, those personal horoscope is very strong, then this is a good time. Otherwise, if your personal horoscope is not so strong, then you may face sudden unexpected delays or the problems too, and try to complete your work before 11th of November. If you want this particular transit to give you the maximum benefit, then make sure on 18th of October this transit is taking place. Make sure you are donating yellow color clothes. Start wearing the Rudraksha. You should start wearing the 7 mukhi Rudraksha. Along with this, every day you should offer water to Shiva. This is going to help you out to remove the ill effect of this particular transit, so that this transit will be giving you the maximum benefits. One thing that you need to taking care of during this time is your health. Don't take your health for granted during this time, because health wise you may face the ups and downs. Capricorn, for you, this particular transit is taking place in your 7th house. 7th house, which is connected to the partnership, which is connected to the marriage, and it is also connected to the interactions too. So this is a very good time. If you're facing any problem related to the relationship, related to the marriage, then this is a good time to solve it with a mutual concern. There is a very high possibility, if you are going to talk and discuss with your loved one, if any past issues are going on, then try to solve. It can be in your love relationship, it can be in the partnership, relationship, or even if you're facing any type of issues with your bosses or any relatives too, then try to solve it before 11th of November. There is a very high possibility you will be able to solve it. Not only this is a very good time for the people who are into a business. They are going to see the expansion in the business, new financial opportunity, and your past investment will be going to give you the profits during this time. This is a good time for the people who are looking to change the job or looking for a promotion or any type of financial expansion. Overall seems like a good time for the people who are looking to conceive a child or looking to get married. If you're a single and you're looking to get married during this time, if you're going to take the actions and doing the right remedies, there's a very high possibility you will be able to end up attracting the right partner. But during this time you need to take care of your health a lot, because health wise you may face a problem. Major problem which you may face during this time is the inflammation, eyes related problem, gallbladder related problem, liver related problem, kidney related problem, and weight gain problem also. So it is recommended for you to do the exercise on the regular basis, and this transit is going to take place on 18th of October to get the maximum positive benefit and to remove the ill negative effect of this particular transit. Make sure on 18th of October you're donating yellow color clothes to the needy, as well as if possible try to offer water to Lord Shiva and start wearing the Rudraksha, that is a Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, to get the maximum benefit and to get the most positive result. Aquarius, for you, this particular transit is taking place in the sixth house. Sixth house, which is connected to your daily life problem, your services, loans, debts, and the health issues. So, this is a time where if you are stuck in any legal case, then try to complete it or try to complete all your pending tasks. The legal case will be solved with the help of the mutual understanding. If your any pending task is stuck since long, then try to complete it. There is a very high possibility you will be able to complete it before 11th of November. During this time, you may get the new financial opportunities, growth in the career and the business too. But health wise, you need to take care of your health. You may face a problem related to the gallbladder, liver related problem, kidney related problem, as well as eyes and the inflammation related problem. And you may face with a minor accident too. So health wise, you need to be conscious. Otherwise, things will be good. You may face, if you are already married, you may face problem in the married life as well as a problem from the child side too. But if you're a student and appearing in any competitive examination, then there is a very high possibility you will be able to clear that competitive examination. Any of your pending tasks you have, try to complete it before 11th of November. Or 11th of November, Jupiter is going to send retrograde. That is a time where you may face obstacles, challenges, and the problems in your life. So try to complete your work before that to overcome the challenges and to remove the ill effect of this transit and to get the maximum positive benefits. On 18th of October, try to donate yellow color clothes to the needy on the regular basis, offer water to Lord Shiva, as well as start wearing the five mukhi rudraksha. This is going to help you out to grow and to get the maximum benefit of this transit. Pisces, for you, this particular transit is taking place in your fifth house. Fifth house, which is connected to your children, which is connected to the entertainment, joy, and your past life karma too. So, this is actually a golden period for the people who are the Pisces Lagna people, and their personal horoscope is very strong. Then, during this time, you are going to get a lot of benefits out of this particular transit. You are going to see the financial growth, overall abundance, and this is a time where your Raj Yog it is going to activate. But this will not be so great time when it comes to the health wise. You need to be conscious. If you're looking to conceive a child, then there is a very high possibility you will be able to conceive the child. If you're looking to get married and you are taking the actions against it, there is a high possibility you will be able to get engaged also. Overall, finances wise, career wise, this is a great time for the people who are appearing in any competitive examination. The students who are appearing in a competitive examination, there is a very high possibility they will be able to clear that. Overall, seems like a great time for the people who have a very strong Pisces horoscope. Then they are going to do maximum benefits during this time. This is a good time for the children who are in the studies. Their concentration level, focus is going to increase, and they are going to see an improvement in their studies and the concentration too. So overall, seems like a great time. Just take care of your health related problem like gallbladder related problem, liver related problem, kidney related problem, and you need to take care of your feet also during this time. To overcome the challenges and to get the maximum benefit out of this particular transit, donate yellow color clothes to the needy on 18th of October. Along with this, offer water to Shiva daily and try to light up a lamp near the Tulsi plant to get the maximum benefit out of this particular transit. try to follow these remedies. It is going to help. Overall seems like a very transformative period, as Jupiter, such a benefic planet, is getting exalted, so which is a very good time for maximum people who have a strong birth chart. And for the people who don't have a strong horoscope, in that case they can activate it while doing the remedies which I've already shared for each moon sign and the ascendant. So try to do these remedies to get the maximum benefit. Try to complete your pending task before 11th of November, because after 11th of November Jupiter is going to get retrograde. So there you may face the setbacks, obstacles and the challenges. So it is advisable for you to complete all your pending tasks before 11th of November. So from 18th October till 11th of November, this is a very important time for you. Try to do the remedies as mentioned and share these videos and the remedies with your loved ones so that you're helping them to transform their life for their own betterment. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.